Hi, welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today I'll be showing you how to make a vegan chorizo and potato hash that is absolutely perfect for a weekend at-home brunch. The first step is to warm up your skillet. Here I'm using a non-stick skillet. I'm adding olive oil and earth-balanced butter. I then add my chopped potatoes. I would like to apologize on behalf of my arm for sometimes blocking the view. My silly but useful arm was very new to this filming thing when I created this recipe. So please, I beg you to be understanding. Throughout the cooking process, you'll see that I add water as needed, and also I cover the skillet most times to allow the cooking to take place as fast as possible. Periodically, I uncover the skillet, mix the potatoes or the ingredients, and then put the lid back on. Add some paprika or paprika, whatever you call it. Black pepper. Around the 15-minute mark, I start checking the potatoes for tenderness, and I do that with a knife. Once I see they're almost tender, almost fully cooked, then I move on with the rest of the recipe. Now we're going to spice it up with a bit of chopped purple onion and jalapeño. Coming in hot with the Trader Joe's soy-based chorizo. I only use half because it is spicy and also pretty salty. Okay. Break it up and incorporate it with the rest of the ingredients. Then add a few slices of chopped tomato. Followed by dried basil, ground cumin, and Dominican oregano. All hail the Dominican oregano! Woo, woo. Add in some liquid smoke. At this point, I gave it a taste and I decided to add in some Trader Joe's seasoning salt. And last, but definitely not least, just egg. I've pushed off the mixture to the side to make space for some of the eggs. I will let them set and cook for a few seconds before I add a little bit more. Let that cook a little longer and then incorporate with the rest of the ingredients. Allowing the just egg to cook a little bit on its own first will ensure that it doesn't disappear once you mix it in with the rest of the ingredients. Now that it's fully cooked, I incorporate it with the rest of the ingredients, and this dish is done. Donezo, ready to be served. and devoured and enjoyed. You can also use this recipe to make breakfast tacos. Imagine how delicious that would be. That would also slap. Bloop. Here's how I plate the hash, or should I say how I bowl the hash? Get it? Hehe. First, I add a generous amount of the hash, of course. Try to make it pretty, but also it's kind of messy. Add in some sliced aguacate, some chopped tomato, fresh cilantrito, and a tiny bit of purple onion. Garnish with a slice of lime and also squeeze in some lime. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye bye. Bloop bloop.